Hi guys, so welcome back to Life and Spice with Gift. Today I'm going to be showing us how to prepare goat meat stew. I'll start by steaming my meat, adding seasoning and salt. Next I'll heat my oil. I've added salt and blended onions, and then I'm adding my tatashe. I'll stir and allow that to cook for a little bit. And then next I'm adding my shombo. I'll stir and stir to prevent it from getting burnt, and then I'll allow it to cook for a little bit. And next, as you can see, it's already frying very well. So next I'll add my tin tomato and I'll stir. I'll mix everything up together. As you can see, I have enough groundnut oil in my pot because the tomato needs enough groundnut oil to help it fry properly so it doesn't taste sour. Okay, so we'll stir and stir, and then we're adding our fresh tomato. Mix everything up together. After adding the fresh tomato, we are going to leave it for quite a while, for like 20 to 30 minutes. And then after like 30 minutes, this is what we have. The tomato is well cooked and it doesn't taste sour anymore. So we're going to go ahead now and add our spices: curry, thyme, seasoning. Yeah, stir everything together to mix it up properly. And then we're going to add our meat and stock, our goat meat and the stock. And here our stew is ready. So guys, that's just exactly how you prepare your goat meat stew. Easy and delicious. So thank you for watching this video till the end. Please, if you are yet to subscribe, just go and hit the subscribe button now, and also turn on your notification bell so that you'll be in the know when we post our delicious yummy recipes. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and see you in our next video. Bye for now.